Godamite. In this video, we're gonna learn audio ducking. What is audio ducking, you might ask? Audio ducking is ducking, but for audio. So basically, we're gonna have some loud part of the music in our video and some less loud part in our video. So if you have a voiceover, for example, you don't want the music distract your voiceover, right? So we do the ducking. Basically, there is two ways to duck audio in Adobe Premiere Pro by manually ducking and using Essential Sound. Let's get into Premiere Pro. So let's say I'm gonna use this music from YouTube audio library. Let's say I'm gonna use this in audio track number 3. All right. So before I do the ducking manually or automatically, I'm gonna master this BGM. All right. By using audio track mixer effects, audio track 3. I'm gonna use special mastering effects and using make room for vocal presets. So generally, I will adjust this so the frequency of the music doesn't interfere with my voiceover. So close this and double click your music. Let's zoom in and I'm gonna duck this part. Boom. And this part. Control and click to make a keyframe. All right. So control and click. Control and click. Okay. And I will use this keyframe here and select another keyframe by holding the shift button and drag it down. Let's say I will adjust my ducking by 10 decibel. So here's the result. Now I'm directing the drone pilot. Okay. Now I will show it one more time. It's actually easy, right? So control, click, control, click, and make another keyframe. Boom. And select this keyframe and hold the shift. I select this 2 keyframe and drag it down 10 decibel. And then I will adjust my audio track mixer. Let's say I will decrease the music volume by 6 decibel. Okay, and let's see the result. Now I'm directing the drone pilot. And this is the take 3. Pretty sweet, right? So I will show you how to do it automatically. So let's say we're gonna make it from scratch and I will put the audio again. So to do it automatically, you need Essential Sound. Okay, click Window, click Essential Sound. Make sure you open your Essential Sound. And the Essential Sound panel here, I put it here. Okay, I will select this part, audio track 1, and this clip as a dialogue. Okay, and this clip as a music. So I will click the music and check the ducking. Boom. Duck against dialogue. All right. I will duck the music for 10 decibel. The fade duration, let's say it's 600 millisecond. And I will generate the keyframe. Bada bing, bada boom. You get it automatically. So let's hear the result. Now I'm directing the drone pilot. And this is the take 3. And you can always adjust this keyframe manually or automatically. Let's say I need to duck more my audio. Generate and boom. It will make your keyframe much more deeper. Now I'm directing the drone pilot. And this is the take 3. Easy, right? So if you have any question, Drop your comment below and see you in the next one.